Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a small unboxing. It might be a little bit showy, but I just want to share what I've bought for a certain period of time. Okay, so before I get started, I'm gonna show you the back of the day. Okay, when it comes to summer, I highly recommend this Celeron Toy Lolo. I personally love Toy Lolo more than small Lolo or medium size because I just think it looks so cute. So when it comes to summer, you're gonna go to like garden parties or this or that parties all the time, right? You don't want to carry your Chanel 22 bag in medium size. I'm talking about myself, medium size. Okay, let's go to party, right? Instead, you want something that is sensible, small, and practical at the same time, right? And I tell you what, this YSL Celeron Lolo can absolutely satisfy your needs. Right, so if you take off the straps, it's a clutch. You can just, I don't know why my brain is showing all the time. So it's a clutch, right? You can just like carry this to go to your night parties or even weddings, right? Weddings, great idea. So if you haven't checked this unboxing video, I'm gonna link it above here. So I bought this from the Purse Fair, and the price was $1,800 Australian, including taxes and shipping costs. Okay, so this bag actually came with these two inserts, which is great. And if you don't want to wear this as a crossbody bag in summertime, no worries, just take them off and close. Oh, buttery smooth. Look, just so cute as a clutch, right? As a clutch. So yeah, this is my bag of the day. Actually, this one can fit my iPhone 11, a wallet, compact wallet, all right? Hand sanitizer and my keys. Yeah, it's about 4 items in one. Very great bag. Highly recommend. I know holiday season can be tricky. For me, I reckon Christmas, yeah, don't get me wrong, I do enjoy my Christmas, but you know, when it comes to gathering, family gathering or all that, it could be a source of trauma and pain. Let's face it. I mean, come on. Nowadays, the family relationship is not just about, you know, holding hands, strolling around in the park, right? It's much more complicated than we expected. So sometimes for me, I'd like to treat myself for a little bit, but not indulging myself. So yeah, I think, you know, it might be my own therapy for myself. Seriously, don't take buying stuff as your therapy, okay? Because it can never, ever be your therapy. It's just a distraction, which will cost you a lot. Okay, so I don't know why I brought this up. I just feel like every holiday season can be tricky for me, you know, because all those stuff, you know what I'm talking about in general. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox my jewelry first. So custom jewelry first is from Chanel. So that might be my thumbnail. So I bought this one from Coco Approved a while ago. Look at these, how beautiful they are. So they are pretty like very festival jewelry, and they are quite small, and it's from the there's nothing left here, but it seems like it's from like 22V or some. Oh, it says it's from 21K. Yes, it says 21K. You know, it looks like these, very festive, you know, if you wear silk like me, very hot and in a very hot and humid weather. So you just a pair of Chanel jewelries can really, you know, cap off this look. Okay, this is the first one, the Chanel jewelry from 21K. I bought this pair from Coco Approved. And the price, I should say, they aren't cheap. All right, they are like $980 Australian. Okay, and I just love them so much. I just snatched them up without thinking about anything. Just like I said, every holiday season it's kind of hard, you know, kind of hard and tricky. I just want to treat myself a little bit, just a little bit, you know. The second item is Dior. I don't know if I've already shown this pair of earrings on my channel before, but yeah, they are made of pearls. So basically it looks like this. Very chic and great. I like this CD here. It doesn't say Christian Dior, but I have to tell you, the pearl looks a bit cheap. If you are a pearl lover, I don't recommend you buy things from Dior, because with this price, you can buy a lot better, something a lot better, something that is more natural, very, very great pearl with great color and bigger than these ones. So, but if you love Dior, I recommend this. Okay, so custom jewelry, we're done, right? So let's unbox this one. Yeah, maybe this one can be my thumbnail. So yeah, I totally took it down because that shot didn't get many views. So I was like, okay, let's do a mixture of unboxing video, and we can see. Yeah, this one is the seasonal wrapping. To be honest, I don't think this year, the packaging from this year is as good as last year, because I reckon last year was more Christmassy. So let's unbox these together. This one is from Chanel Beauty. So you can get the packaging, it doesn't matter what you're going to buy, as long as you buy from this period of time from a boutique or from like David Jones. I'm not sure about David Jones, but you need to go to the Chanel Beauty boutique, their standalone boutiques, and then you buy. And this time, I didn't even get any samples. I forgot about that, and I didn't realize it until I got home. I was like, where are my samples? I got quite a few last year, and this year was absolutely like, I'm a bit disappointed. But if you want the packaging, you have to go to this. You have to go to store instead of buying online, because they don't provide any holiday packaging online. Okay, right. Let's unbox this together. I really love this. I think something just dropped. Yeah, I dropped this one. Actually, this one is from this season. All right, it's called, my SA told me this one can be used as a primer or as a highlighter on your face. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm saving this for New Year. Right, so this one, and look at this then. I'm always a big fan of the cleanser. I love this cleanser, and the price is quite reasonable, you know, among other Chanel products. Okay, but just sometimes after I used this cleanser, color mousse, right? So cleanser, my face would feel like a little bit tight or dry, but that's when you're gonna put some moisturizer on it on your face, right? So this one, let's unbox this one first. Oh, it's a fresh unboxing. Look, this is still intact. Do you know, when I was talking about, you know, this time of year can be very tricky, is because, you know, sometimes you will be gifted by some craps, right? Some people will gift you some like so-called skincare products, but like, for example, this year I did receive one of these gifts from a family member, Estée Lauder special edition, not from this year but from last year, which is fine by me, right? But both of the boxes have their price tag still intact, which I think is a bit of rude, right? What kind of information you're trying to deliver here? So I got you, so this box is $109, that box is $80, so you're gonna give me back the same amount of money, the gift that is worth the same amount of money. I reckon it's just very careless. I don't think she did it on purpose. I'm just saying it's very careless. So when you gift someone, just make sure the boxes aren't worn out. Like, you know, the packaging are perfect. Like, see this corner? Yeah, when someone receives this, she will be very happy, because, you know, everything is just bloody brand new. Just don't send people with those worn out boxes with price tags still intact. I mean, come on, right? Or you just don't gift them at all. Look at this. This one is kind of like sunshine, that kind of looking. If you are in summer season, this is for you. All right, so it doesn't come in different shades. It's only one shade, but it's like illuminating powder, just like what I have on my face right now. So illuminating powder, very creamy, and this one is in liquid. Okay, I don't think they have this. I don't know about the online store, but this one was one of a few stocks in store back like a few weeks ago. Okay, so unbox this one, but I'm not gonna use it until next year. Also, if you're curious about this product, or if you are thinking about changing your face cleanser product, I highly recommend the Chanel one, because this one, like I said, it does its work, and works for, at least it works for me very well. And it also comes with a brochure. Okay, so these are the Chanel beauty products. If you haven't checked my beauty product, another video, this Christmas special edition, I will link it above here so you can have a look. I bought some other makeup and skincare products from both Chanel and Dior, and they work quite well for me, to be honest. If you still want a touch of luxury, but you don't want to spend $6,000-$7,000 on a bag, I reckon Chanel Beauty is a good way to go. Okay, I'm definitely gonna I like keeping their packaging, special packaging every year. So yeah, and this year they didn't even give me samples. Doesn't matter. So let's do the ready to wear and a pair of boots. Let's talk about ready to wear first. Ready to wear piece, this one is a jersey top. It's kind of like very casual style and nothing formal here. So I bought this one from Vestiaire Collective, around $480 or $500 AUD, which is much cheaper than the retail price. So, and it comes with a full packaging, except for the invoice, but I really don't care about the invoice. So this one is Gucci. And I reckon this one was very popular back in 2018, 2019, if I'm not wrong. Maybe it could be earlier. So the seller is very kind. She includes everything in here. So including this high-end hanger. Right, it says Gucci, and it says made in Italy, and the size is French size. I think it should be, no, it says extra small, 2Xs. So it's XX small. So extra small, 2Xs. Very festive, but if you're still in summer, I don't think you can wear this until like, I don't know, late April, early May, you know. Right, so this one is jersey, and it's made of this traditional Gucci signature green and red and green thingy, and yeah, I think it's pretty festival for Christmas. Okay, so, and yeah, I also bought a pair of boots from Vestiaire Collective. I think one of the biggest benefits for buyers from Vestiaire Collective is you can negotiate the price, because most of those sellers are private, meaning they are just like individuals like me. And if the seller is in a rush to sell something, it's a great time for you to negotiate the price, you know, maybe like 15 to 20% down from the originally listed price. Also, sometimes if you are lucky enough, like for example, Boxing Day, you can get extra discount. So for your product. But sometimes those coupon codes only work for selected products. Okay, that's the thing you need to look out for. Yeah, I'm just off the topic. Boots. I know this pair of boots, they aren't for this season right now because they're not Chanel. And I believe this pair of boots are from 2019, pre-fall and winter. I was going to say pre-fall and autumn. It was pre-fall and winter. They come with two dust bags, and the field. Okay, so yeah, the Vestiaire Collective thingy is still here. So very cute boots. Booties. Just the only downfall is that the height of the heel is only about what? I reckon this one is only about one centimeters. And also, when you have a look at the sole, I need to resole this. Okay, because shoes from either Hermes or Chanel are very delicate. You need to resole your boots or flats and all that, because they will be worn out very easily, fairly easily. And inside is like this. And I reckon, yeah, there's the small Chanel. It's quite low key, you know, because people won't pay that much attention on your shoes normally, but you can still have a touch of luxury. So I negotiated about the price. So I bought it off at $929 AUD for a pair of boots. Okay, so yeah, it's like, I know this style is not everyone's cup of tea. Maybe some people might find this part, the ankle boots, right? The ankle boots. So this part is quite like chunky, and which will visually enlarge your calves. So, my suggestion is, if you want Chanel ankle boots, so first and foremost, this part around your ankle, above your ankle but below your knees, this part has to be very slim. So with zippers, ideally, right? And about the heels. The heels, I prefer at least 3 to 5 centimeters, you know, to make me feel like look taller. That's from my opinion, because I'm a very petite person. So I was just wishing that I could be like taller, like at least above 168 centimeters, you know. But yeah, still, look at this part, very chubby. Unless you have fairly thin legs. I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I haven't worn them yet. Not even once. I just tried them on at home. But these guys, they've never been out of the house. So I don't know what to do with them, to be honest. So yeah. So a pair of two custom jewelries, 2 beauty products from Chanel, and 1 Gucci ready to wear, and Chanel boots. These are the items that I bought recently. What I'm gonna say is, holiday seasons can always be tricky for us. So sometimes maybe we can indulge ourselves for a little bit by buying things for ourselves, but not too much, right? If you are just like me, you are one of the people, you know, who really hope just holiday season just go away, you know, just everything will back to normal. I'm thinking of you. All right, so yeah, thanks for consuming my content. If you like it, if you think it's very informative, subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.